Welcome back to another video, where the topic is yet again about CPM 2. A lot of questions are being asked if whether this game will be more laggy on low-end devices than it is on CPM 1. Today, I want to test that thought and see what the results are. For this video, I will be using my old Samsung Galaxy A51. It's a really old model, the first phone that I've bought since I've started YouTube. It has 6 GB of RAM and a pretty low-end processor, so it is the perfect candidate for this video, especially seeing that it is years old and has degraded in performance. Naturally, we know that phones like these won't be able to play on the maximum graphics settings without lag, so I will only be adjusting the graphics where it's smooth enough to play, but at the same time still looks next level. Let's open CPM 2 and see how well it goes. I will also be adding extra stress to the device by recording at the same time. So this might perform even better on your device if you are not recording, as recording and screen capture uses a decent amount of processing power. From this gameplay, we can see that the game stutters every now and then, but despite this game looking better in terms of graphics than CPM 1, it doesn't lag as much in the same areas. So I'd say that low-end devices, if using the respectable settings, can run CPM 2 just fine. Let me know what you guys think down below, and as always, thanks for watching.